Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video we are going to discuss about an interesting AI tool, so which will be helpful for our research paper writing. So it will generate academic ideas and also outline of that paper, and then it will generate content of the paper. So it is powered by Chinese. So let us go on to today's video and explore the tool and how it will work out. We will give some research ideas and we will try to generate a research paper outline, and also if possible we will generate research paper using that particular AI tool. Before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online MATLAB workshop on power converters modeling, design and applications. The main objective of this workshop is to design the parameters, that is design values, that is LNC values of converters. So in this workshop we are going to discuss about buck and boost converter, and then we are going to make open loop simulation and closed loop simulation with that particular design values, and then we are going to connect that converter with PV and wind energy as input sources, that is renewable energy as input sources, and then we are going to incorporate that with EV charging station. So in this workshop we are going to explore how the converters use will be very important, and design values and design calculation is very important for renewable energy integration with applications. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. Another important announcement from our channel is that we are going to organize a research paper writing workshop, that is research paper writing using ChatGPT and AI tool. So the main objective of this workshop is to familiarize you all with the different AI tools which will be useful for research paper writing, and then we are going to explore different types of research prompts in ChatGPT, and then we are going to explore how to make ChatGPT to work out for us to make our research paper writing simple. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. So if you are interested in, that is design research paper writing using AI tool, so don't forget to register. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. Moving on to our today's video, the AI tool what we are going to discuss today is that here you can see academic ideas. So it is powered by Chinese. So just to refresh this academic ideas, so here you will be having an option to change it to English. So just to click on English. So after that, here you can see our contents will be changed into English. So help you to think about the source of inspiration in an academic realm. So and then here, welcome to this AI. This is the tool name in Chinese. So after that, please select the subject below and enter complete paper title to generate a paper outline for free, and come and try out. So you can generate paper outline only for free, I think so. So let us explore with that particular options. So here in this option, in this first one will be you have to select this subjects. So here there are different options are available here. So here you can see philosophy, economics, jurisprudence, pedagogy, literature, history, Neo-Confucianism, engineering, agricultural science, medicine, management, art, linguistics, etc. So in this I am going to choose engineering. So in this engineering you will be having different options in engineering, mechanics, mechanical. So and then you can see instrument, energy, power, electrical energy, next digital information. So after that computer, civil engineering, and then you can see textile, mining. So after that light, aerospace, weapon. So different types of options are available. So you can select any of the options. So here vast number of options are available in engineering. So I am going to select energy and power. So here I have selected that energy and power. So here you can give a complete paper title. So in this I am going to give a complete paper title like that: power quality analysis, power quality analysis in grid, power quality analysis in grid connected PV battery system. So power quality analysis in grid connected PV battery. So up to 15 numbers only you can give. So next you can select undergraduate. So and then what you can do is give generate outline. So thanks for patience. The expected wait time is 60 seconds. Please do not refresh the page during this period. So let us wait for 60 seconds and we will check out how it will generate outline. So here you can see our literature is generated. So here you can see that chapter 1 introduction, next background info introduction, photovoltaic cells, systems, impact, power quality, research significance, aims and objective, next paper structure. So here you can see this is our thesis paper structure, that is introduction, analysis, grid connected characteristics of PV system, next frequency response stability, voltage, as we have asked for power quality analysis. So these are the factors considered during this power quality analysis, voltage fluctuation and flicker analysis. So after that you can see harmonic analysis and suppression methods, reactive power compensation technology, overview of energy storage system, and then you can see that peak shaving and valley filling of energy storage system. Energy storage system improves power quality, analysis of nonlinear load. So a brief outline, that is a outline, step by step outline. Next harmonic analysis for a separate chapter. So next harmonic filtering technology and application, summary of experimental conclusions, analysis of problems. So here research prospects and suggestions, future research and directions. So here undergraduate up to 2000 words it will be generated. So here you can see this references and literature review. So for additional services, opening report, question, defense report, mission statement, mind mapping. So you have to go for this subscription option, that is in yuan, 4.9 yuan, 9.9 yuan. Next, these are the pricing and plans here. So if you are not satisfied with this particular outline, so you can regenerate this outline too. So what you can do is just to click on this regenerate. So let us see how it will regenerate outline. So again it is regenerating all the topics. So let us see how it will works. So again it has started to regenerate. Yes, again it is regenerated, the outline is regenerated again. So grid axis, impact of PV system on that is solar power generation, energy storage technology, power quality, photovoltaic system overview, grid access requirements. So like that, chapter wise, again chapter wise you will be getting the outline. So if you are struggling to make a outline for this research paper, you can use this kind of AI tool to generate a better outline for your research paper. So this is very important, that for every thesis writing or any research paper writing, an outline is very important. So you can use this academic ideas to write thesis for you. So that will be a fantastic option to generate outline. So even you can generate that paper also. So you can download paper also, but you have to go for this subscription option. So go on and explore this particular outline. So if you are interested in the outline, if it works out well for you, so you can go for subscription option and generate outline. So this is all about this academic ideas. So you can generate outline for free for any number of times. So you can use this option. So this is all about this academic ideas. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. So go on and explore this academic ideas with your different types of research ideas. So thereby it will generate outline for all of it. So then make your research paper writing simple using this outline. So thank you for watching our videos. Hope you can get an idea about this academic ideas. So don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.